I'ma call you later on, baby girl, don't you forget. I'ma take you from this party, we might go and have some sex. Or we do that later on, and we lit like cigarettes. I thought you would stay with me, I'm yours and you're mine, I am here. So what I'm gonna do, I won't ever do, ain't no me without you. Oh, you go.
Gunshot, thought you heard about me, must not. Last nigga did me dirty like a bathroom in a truck stop. Now my heart, it feels like pillow. I'm hard like I'm a pillow. Can't be no nigga ex, I could only be his widow. That's a fact, dressed in black, my heart break, bones will crack. I be chillin', watching Oxygen, my favorite show is Snaps. Now you know how I get, every day a foreign whip. Rather see you in a hearse than see you with some other bitch, huh?
Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video and like, subscribe, and I hope I'll see you next time really soon. Peace.